What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here. Welcome to Learn Medicare Billing. So I'm walking to the car, getting ready to go shopping, and I was thinking, like, I love going in the supermarket to buy my groceries because I love to cook. I love to cook, but I would never want to be dependent on cooking to pay my mortgage, pay for my kids' school. It's just not what I want, right? I want to keep what I love, something I love, and do other stuff that's way easier to make a living on. Cooking, opening a restaurant, probably one of the hardest things you can do to make a living. I don't want to do that. Now, take that and translate it over to patient care, to physical therapy. I love what I do. I'm a physical therapist. I treat patients. But if I was treating patients 40, 50, 60 hours a week to pay my bills, pay off debt, put money away in the bank, I might not love patient care as much as I love it now, right? And I guarantee, like, there are far easier ways to put money in the bank and to put food on the table. Why do we feel compelled to do what we love as our primary means of income? I shared a great post in the Doctor of Physical Therapy student group. I think that's what it's called. And there were tons of therapists showing off all the cool stuff that they were doing to earn a living beyond patient care. Keep patient care sacred. If you went to school because you love doing physical therapy, you love being a physical therapist, occupational therapist, speech therapist, protect that, save that. That passion doesn't come around often, but focus on other things to put money in the bank, to build financial security, and don't make patient care the difference between being able to pay off your mortgage or your student loan, because that's when you start making bad decisions. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Post in the YouTube comments, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know what kind of content you guys are looking for. I'll catch you on the next one.